In this video, we are going to learn handling data 2. This is one of the chapter in our textbook, and we have learned data in handling data 1. What is data? It is any factual information. Any factual information that has been collected or recorded. This data has the different types. One is the categorical data and one is discrete data, and one more is continuous data. We will try to understand this discrete data and continuous data. What is this discrete data? First, I will give you the example. If I have to write number of doctors in a town, either it will be 100, 200, 250, 300, etc. On the other hand, if I will write the height of boys in grade 10, so it may be 1.5 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.3 meter. You can see here decimal number can come here, the fractional number can come here, and here always counting number are used. Counting numbers are used. What does that mean? It means discrete data has only the specific values from the group of whole numbers. You might have gone through the whole numbers, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. And here the number between 0 and 1, that's not a whole number. The numbers between 1 and 2, the fractional number, or we can say the decimal number, those are not the whole numbers. In the discrete data, we will not have the decimal numbers, the fractional numbers. There are only the specific values that can be counted. Otherwise, on the other hand, in this continuous data, we have like this: 1 is less or equal to x is less or equal to 10. What does it mean? It means x have any value between 1 and 10. It may be 1, it may be 1.1, it may be 1.2, it may be 1.3, it may be 1.4, it may be 2.1, it may be 2.13, etc., etc., till 10. So this data is continuous data. Continuous data. So the main difference between this and this is this can be measured, not counted, and here this can be counted, and here it can attain, it can have the specific values only, whereas it has different values. It can go continuous, it can have any value in this interval. The interval is 1 to 10. During this interval, if you will see here the interval, it can attain any value, whereas here we have 100, 200 or any other thing like 300, etc. It cannot take the values between 100 and 200 if the data is this. All the things I will explain in the chapter. Once we will go to the exercise, we will understand there also what is the data, what is discrete data, and what is continuous data. So let's move towards our chapter, what we are going to study in this chapter. In your textbook, you can see the page number 224. It's page 224, handling data 2. And see the page 225. It is written there, the mean is the total of all values divided by total number of values, or we can say sum of observations divided by number of observations. And median is there. Median is the value of the middle number when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. So median is there. So what is median? It is the middle number. We will see it, we will understand it while doing the questions. And mode is that term which occurs most frequently. That means number of times which is more occurring in a data, that is the mode. And you can see there it is written discrete data can only be integer values, number of people, goals, boats, etc. That means like 1 2 3 4 0 etc. And continuous data can have any value in a particular range. For example, this I explained, this is a particular range, it can have any value in continuous data. And the symbol, this symbol, you can see it is used in the statistics as adding up. It means the sum of all that terms or all that numbers, and it is actually the sigma. So we can say it as sigma or summation. This symbol. We will try to understand this example 1 so that we will come to know about the things, what things are here. First, a teacher records how many times 20 pupils are late to class in a school year. So what is this data? This data is about the 20 pupils. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is 10 plus 10 is 20. So this is the record of 20 students who are coming late to the school for an year. One student has come only at once late, and another student 5 times, and another 3 times, another 2 times, and another one more student is he never came late to the school. And for every student it has been recorded how many times a student came late to the school. So first thing is work out the mean number of late arrivals. First we have to find the mean, work out the median number of late arrivals. Second is median, write down the mode of the data. And third part is mode of the data. Then we have to draw a bar chart for the data. X represents the recorded number of late arrivals. Now you can see we will draw this question has been solved here, and there is a table having the 4 columns. First column is X, second is tally chart, and third is frequency, and the last one is F into X. See, you can see here in order, we will arrange it in ascending order. First it is the 0. I will write in this here it is written actually 0. So how many times a 0 exists in this data? You can see it exists only 2 times, so I will write here 2 lines. And frequency is 2. Why frequency? Frequency means how many times this term exists in the data. That's 2. There are 2 times 0, so I will write here the 2. Now F into X is 2 into 0, that's 0. Now next comes to the 1. I will check in the data how many times 1 is there. 2 times, so I will write the 2 lines. And similarly frequency will be 2, because frequency measures the number of times a term exists in the data. Understand this, how we are writing the frequency. Frequency means number of times this term exists in the data. We can see the 1 exists only twice, that's 2 times, so I will write here 2. So F into X is 2 into 1 is 2. Now third term is 2. If you will check, it's only once it comes in the data, so I will write only 1 here. 1 line is there in the tally chart, in the tally column, and here frequency is also 1. 2 into 1 is 2, that's F into X. Now 3 exists 4 times in this data, and here it's 4 lines. Here we have 4, and you can see that now 4 it exists 5 times, And here we have a rule. The rule is like if we are writing the tally for 4, that is 1 2 3 4. Once we are writing the 5, then we should draw a line like this. We cannot write 1 2 3 4 5. This is incorrect. 4 lines we can draw. The fifth one we should draw like this. This is the correct way. If we want, if there are 6 number of, for example, the data exists 6 times, then how I should do? First 4, then this is fifth, then I should start once again this. No, writing this 1 2 3 4 5 is incorrect, or 6, this is also incorrect. Correct way is 1 2 3 4 fifth, then once again 1 2 3 4 fifth, then once again. It depends upon the term, how many times it exists in the data. So 4 is, it exists 5 times. Here I am writing the 5, then x into 5 is 20, then 5 exists 6 times. 5 into 6 is, that's 30. Now I will add up. That is sigma f means 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that's equal to 20. So sigma or summation f is 20. Here I will also add 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 12 plus 20 plus 30, that is sigma, that is summation fx. Now how to find the mean? First part is the mean. How to find the mean? Mean is simply sigma fx divided by sigma f. That is how we will find the mean. Here mean will be sigma fx divided by sigma f. That is what? That is 66 divided by 20. You can calculate this value. Here it has written, it is 3.3. 3.3 is the mean of this data. Now work out the median number of late arrivals. Now you can see how many terms are there. 20. What is sigma f? It is, sigma f is 20. So which is the middle term? Middle term is, there are 2 terms, that is 10th and 11th term. You can see in the first chapter of handling data, you have understood there how to find the median. If I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 even number of terms, then one term here, one, then 2 terms here, 2 terms, then I have to find the mean of this. 3 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 7 by 2, that is 3.5. How to find the median? We are first arranging the data in ascending order, then we are calculating what? We are seeing the middlemost term. If the 2 terms are remaining there, then we are taking the mean of the 2 terms. Similarly here, 10th term and 11th term will be the mean of the 10th and 11th term will be the median. So median is equal to, I can write median equals to, which is 10th term. If you can see, this is 2 plus 2 is 4, this is fifth plus this is 9th term till here. So 9th term is 3. After 9th it comes 10. 10th term is 4, 11th term is 4. So that is 4 plus 4 divided by 2, that's 8 by 2, that is 4. So median for this data is 4. Understand this, 11th, 10th and 11th term, because the number of terms is what? The number of terms is 20. Now next is write down the mode of the data. You can see the frequency, the term whose frequency is, which is having more frequency, is the mode. That is, you can see 6 is the largest frequency, that is the data here is 5. So mode is simply the 5. Now you can see the question number 1 from exercise 1. Exercise 1, page 227. Question number 1. What is it? A spinner with 10 sides is spun 30 times with the following results. So a spinner is spun 10 sides with 10 sides. A spinner has a 10 sides. Is spun 30 times with the following results. So 30 times it is spun. So it means you can see the textbook. Please keep your textbook before you so that you can see the question, because I am here reading the question from the textbook. You can see from your own textbook. See, there is the data. It is given 30 times is this. You can see the smallest value. First part is construct a table with 4 columns: score, tally, frequency, and frequency into score. That is score, which we know that's X, then tally, then frequency, that's F, then F into X, that's frequency into score. First you will see the smallest one, that is 1. You can see how many times it exists. If you will check, it exists 3 times, so I will draw 3 lines, and frequency will be 3. F into X will be 1 into 3, that is 3. And next data is 2. If you will check, it exists 3 times, that is I will write 3 lines. And here frequency is 3. Then 3 twos are, it is 6, F into X. And number third, 3 is there. It also exists 3 times. So frequency is 3, tally is 3, 3 threes are 9. And you can see this is actually F into X. 1 into 3 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9. And you can see 4. It exists 4 times in the data, so I can write its frequency is also the 4. 4 fours are, it is 16. And now next is the 5. It exists 3 times. You can see we can write here 3, and 5 threes are, it is 15. And next is 6. It exists also 3 times. I can write here 3, it is 18. And next one is 7. It exists 2 times, that is I will write here 2, 7 twos are, it is 14. And next is 8, and 8 exists 3 times, so I will draw 3 tally marks. Here I will write 3, 3 8s are, it's 24. Then 9 also exists 3 times. I will write here 3, 9 3s are 27. Then 10, it exists also 3 times. I will write here 3, then 3 10s are, it is 30. Here you can draw the table, and I can write like this. This is sigma F, that is total of all these values. If I will do the total, and it will come to 30. And this is sigma Fx, that is total sum of, that means addition of all the values, that is 162. Now the first part, this was A part of the question. Now the B part is find the mean. What is mean? We know the formula for the mean, that sigma Fx divided by sigma F. What is sigma Fx? That is 162 divided by 30, that is 5.4 when you will do it on Calci. And C is the modal score. What is the modal score? You can see here the term which is existing most frequent, that is where the frequency has the higher value. We can see here the frequency has the higher value. It means corresponding to this term, I will check which number is this. It is 4. That means 4 is existing most frequently among these terms. So I can write mode is also the 4. Now median is there. How to find the median? How many terms are there? 30 terms are. So I can say 15th plus 16th value divided by 2 will be the median. What is 15th value? If you will count, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is, that is 13, this is 14, 15, 16. So 15th and 16th value is 5. So median will be 5 plus 5 divided by 2. Since this is the even number of frequencies, that is 10 by 2. 10 by 2, I will write 5 plus 5 by 2, 10 by 2, that is 5. This is the answer of the question. In the same way, you have to do the question number 2. You can see there are there's a data given. First you will write the first column, that is score, number of pupils, that will be X, and the second column you will write tally, third you will write frequency, that fourth you will write F into X, that's frequency into number. So what you will write first? You will check the smallest number, then you will see how many times it exists, then that also you will write that number. Here you will mark the tally marks, and here you will write the number, then you will do the product, and for every term you will do it. Then finally you will find sigma F. What is the value of that? Is the sum total, the addition of this column. Then afterwards you will find sigma fx, that is the sum total addition of this. Then you can easily find the mean number. What is the mean? That is sigma fx divided by sigma f. Then you have to find the mode. What is the mode? Mode is the number which is having the highest frequency. And you have to find the median. Median is what? It is having the 20th, so 10th and 11th term, mean of the 10th and 11th term. You can check that. You can see the question number 3. It is also the table shows information about the number of presents, that's X, received by 50 teenagers on their 16th birthdays. Copy this table and use it to calculate the mean number of presents received. B is find the median and model number of presents. You can see number of presents is 1, 2, 3, 4 in this column, and in the frequency column there is 5, 21, 17, 7. So what I should do? First I will find F into X, that's 1 into 5 is 1, 2 into 21 is 42, and 3 into 71 will be 51, and 4 into 7 will be 28. It is very easy. Question number 3. Then once you found, first is X there, you can see here, first is X is there, number of presents, frequency is there, then you should find F into X. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is 5, 21, 17, 7. Here 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 21 is 42, 7 it is 51, 4 7s are 28. Here you will find sigma F, here you will find sigma Fx. So mean will be sigma fx divided by sigma f. What is the mode? Mode will be this, corresponding to this, that is 2 is the mode. And what is the median? You will check what is the total number of frequencies. You will check here total number of frequencies. It is 26, 26 plus 17, 26 plus 17. It is, I think, 43 plus 7, it is 50. So 25th and 26th term, 50 divided by 2, that's 25th. So 25th and 26th mean of that term, which is 25th and 26th, that is 2. So median will be also the 2 if you will do it. And the fourth question is similar to this question. Now you can see the exercise 1 star. In first, second